We'll guide you through how to install Claude on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to download the software. Click on the download button to get the latest version compatible with your operating system. After the download is complete, locate the setup file in your downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. A setup wizard will appear, guiding you through the installation steps. Follow the prompts by clicking Next to proceed through each stage. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. You can choose the installation location or simply use the default folder suggested by the installer. Once you've set your preferences, click Install to begin the installation process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. When the installation is complete, you'll see an option to launch Claude immediately by clicking Finish. If you'd like to start using it right away, make sure this box is checked. Otherwise, you can launch Claude from your desktop icon or Start menu at any time. It's a good idea to check for updates once you've launched the software to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. You can do this from the Help menu by selecting Check for Updates. That's it, you're all set to use Claude on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.